like this shit came 100 years later. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just happy to have something new. What's up, boss dons? Today we're gonna be doing a different type of video. Today is unboxing day. If you're in the clothing industry, then you know how stressful this day can be. Because this is the day where you finally get to see if the final products match what the samples were. You finally get to see if the products fit good and if they feel good. It's very, very, very stressful because there's so much that is unknown. On days like this, I have to have my family and friends around because I need their feedback. I need honest opinions, and trust me, they are honest. You want to say hi? People be real like weirdos. And by people, we mean Shay. I'm so scared that anything gonna be wrong with this stuff.
I'm tired. This was gotcha.
Okay, so this is last. I want to see them last. I want to see the second stuff first because that's the stuff that is wrong. I'm mad about it.
Yeah. They call me like 10, alright?
It's men.
Oh, it's pants?
No, they are shirts.
And shorts?
Pants.
Mom, you're on YouTube.
I know.
People ain't got long, ain't got to me. I'm good. Yo, all my
Nice, yo. It's the Angels.
open it up.
Oh, where's my brass? Cause hold up. I started this.
I don't know if that short sleeve or long sleeve. I hate bending my shoes when I'm bending down.
Them shoes is definitely from Bendy kind. Like the white teachers, like the school white teachers, the white school teachers.
That short sleeve?
Yeah.
I wanted these all short sleeve. They probably is.
Let me see the back. It's a naked man. Okay.
Not as a naked man. It's a hang. Let's see.
I love that you can see that. I thought she was. I love that you can see that the angels are black.
Emphasis on the angels being black. What else we got?
Perfect. Ron submitted his raffle. He might win. It'd be just his luck. He gonna win a corset dress. And who was gonna go to? My pick.
Your pick, boy. I think I'm yeah, this is what I want to see, the pants.
This is what I'm wearing with my fur boots. Pretty.
Which fur boots?
My extra studio boots.
Which one?
My cowboy boots.
Nice color. That's right. Yeah, cool. This scarf is so small. It's nice, but it's small. I thought it was gonna be way bigger. But you know what I can tell?
When
You know,
you
I like
look on
my
call and
material
say
though. They got stretch to it. But this was supposed to be way bigger so you can make it like babushka.
alright.
But I don't know how to make a babushka. I got big. Yeah, but it's big enough. 1400.
Can't believe I can't put $200 on ugly shoes.
I mean, these shoes are brand open so.
And I didn't even get a good video in. He didn't record my feet.
Don't these pants look short?
What size is that?
Small.
That's probably why.
No, I think the reason why is because when she removed that cuff, she probably just left the length off. And if that's what she did, we're gonna have a
Dang, I just spoke my
And these were supposed to be thicker. Like these right here were supposed to be way wider. I can't wait to complain her because that way maybe she can take some stuff off of my vest. Oh, no, not really. They look like my thing. These are extra small, so they about the right length. And they're not supposed to be tight enough because they like the
this is over here trying to find
shoe on with it.
I'm in my cowboy.
I mean, of course not this
I'm
shoe.
in my
Which one's your Timbs? You
I
got
do.
Timbs?
I got both.
See,
I'll be next to yours.
like this, see? You gonna... But I got sold all my tags and
Let's
shit.
go, Barbara. You look like a verse of beast, go.
It does not. You just never seen angels before. It's sad. Did y'all see? I hope y'all heard that. This is how much the black body has been slain in our civilization, that when black people see clouds, they think of dead people.
All I think of is you going down on your birthday.
Decent. This is a small. Oh, this is an extra small. I can already tell got like that good fit. What's really good about this fabric though, that's different from like all my other satin stuff. They got stretch. So cause I know girls probably gonna buy these pants more than guys. So they gonna love the stretch. I think that's gonna be tough. She's not really used to that, so I don't think she be catching the cues.
Pop.
Done.
That probably look at
I like these gold things at the bottom.
Pop. You like it?
Any real metal. They're not like the little plastic kind that look like metal. You know what I'm talking about?
Pop. You're blocking the camera.
Believe it or not, I don't know how or why, but he kind of bringing it into focus. Like when he moves, because I don't know if I'm too far away, but I like this. I want to try this one. It looks short, don't it? Or do it just look short because I don't got no pocket? You want to feel it? It feels real nice.
Well, I wanted to know what material was.
I like how she put the little papers in there.
Yeah.
So when somebody opens that shirt, oh, this shirt feels really nice. It's real stretchy and all of that. Only thing about it is it kind of looks short again.
It's that material that not short, but it looks short.
Yeah, if that makes sense.
I can't wait to learn materials. I need to go to school for fashion.
Simple design, clean. Yeah, hold you back. You know what I be forgetting though? Oh yeah, it's not bad. I wouldn't get an extra small on it. This wasn't supposed to be a slim fit shirt though, so I don't know really what she did. Because if it was going to be slim fit, I would make the sleeves like shorter. That makes sense. But personally, I think we could have just went with like the box fit. This was supposed to have like a normal box fit, but maybe if you size like up a size or two, it'll look better. And then what I definitely probably could have put like a, but then it would have had like that
Shot fly.
I was about to say, I know she didn't be this bright on me.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, baby, Rob.
What's up, y'all? Merry New Year, brother.
I don't think we there yet. I don't think the holiday. This is cool, but one thing I'm noticing right away is that the Deano on the back don't look like half as big as the short sleeve one. Like the short sleeve one, the Deano look massive. Am I tripping?
Yeah.
Same? No. Kind of.
It's a little bit smaller.
Alright. Oh, that's good. That ain't bad. Once you got a sleeves fit. Oh, ain't that good? I ain't gonna lie. One thing I can say is, like, the weight is worth it when, I just feel like a lot of this stuff look like spring in Miami, you know? But what I can say is, like, her fit, all of that stuff is good. And this do feel like a blazer because the way she did the shirts. But
What's the bra that did that?
well, no, the manufacturer, she just a lady. Like,
Oh.
it's a lady that run the company. So that's why I keep referring to her. But it was worth the wait in the terms
Oh,
of
it's like a little shirt jacket.
and no, it's supposed to be like a pajama style shirt. Like, you know how a lot of people got like the bowling style shirts? But this is more like a pajama style shirt. It's kind of like the silhouette is like what Tom Ford doing right now. Like they got people wearing like their satin pants, like a lot of the basketball players wearing their satin pants. And that's kind of, you know, I love satin stuff already, so I was kind of just go with, like, that was kind of like the concept behind it. And it would have worked perfect for summer and spring where everybody was traveling. Huh?
Shit, you can hold it, you know what I'm saying?
This would be probably my first actual drop all year. So it's like, but, and then like, I got like hoodies and t-shirts too. So I feel like it's kind of like either what, so for instance, like if I wear this, I could wear like, you know, I probably finesse the short sleeve button down with like some jeans or some slip tennis or something like that under a jacket, the long sleeves, something like that with some jeans or something. Maybe the pants just like with like a hoodie, cause it's like that like casual vibe. Like you got a hoodie, you got like your pajama-esque pants, and maybe like, you know how they got like the, for instance, like a good little outfit would be like the Dior slippers, because you're not trying to do too much. You kind of still stand in that lane of like comfort and chill, and that's kind of the vibe. It's not supposed to be like, you know, like, yeah. But at the same time, I feel like that vibe would have been executed better in a warmer climate. So, but it's just right now, it's just like buy what you can.
Well,
I like Young Third.
Thank you.
How long you doing? You was like packing?
No, this stuff just came. I've been trying it on because I'm trying to make a YouTube video for it. So I just been trying it on. Saying how I like everything. You know, this stuff was been supposed to come. This stuff from, I showed you this stuff all the way like
And it just coming.
in the summer. I mean, part of it was my fault because I did. Yeah, and I'm surprised because this is small. But I did tell her to extend the hem because you know with like pajama pants and stuff, they be all the same.
I
So
don't care about tight clothes no more for real. So you know, I like how that look.
yeah, they not supposed. All right, boys, done. So this was a different type of video. I know it wasn't too structured or organized, but I really wanted to make this type. I really want to make this type of content on my channel. Like I want to show you guys a little bit more behind the scenes, a little bit more of the process, because ultimately that's what people be asking for. They be like, we tired of just seeing unboxings. So yeah, mine's all too. But yeah, so that's pretty much my story, and sticking to it. So if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And what else I'm supposed to say? Oh, stay untouchable. Godspeed.